No, after experiencing nung nanalo ko sa PBB, then nothing happened to your career, you went somewhere, and alam mo yung stress na gano'n, finally, ito na, this is it, alam mo yung gano'n.
For me, I remember saying this is the happiest time of my life. After the premiere, walking down the red carpet, for me, I remember saying I've never been more happier than this.
Oo, no, ano yan? Ibang feeling yung ganyan. Ako, ano ba yung ganyan ko? Yung Here Comes the Bride, meron akong pelikula na I mean, hindi pa naman pick ni Angelica yon, tsaka ni Eugene Domingo. Nung moment na sinabi sa amin na ang lakas-lakas ng first day, talagang iyak ako ng iyak. Kasi parang, ay, this is it na. Alam mo yung ganung feeling. Okay, second question, wrong ka dyan or correct ka dyan? Okay, gusto ko itong tanong na to kasi diba, yung iba mga love team, ibang mga artista individually, nagiging silang sikat dahil one, sa looks nila, two, doon sa work nila, maybe doon sa movie na ginawa nila, or sa TV show na ginawa nila, kaya sila nagiging popular. Like Forevermore. Because of Forevermore, si Enrique ngayon at saka si Liza ay naging sikat. Pero kayong dalawa, is it true na ina-associate ninyo ang inyong kasikatan because of your fans? Correct ka dyan or wrong ka dyan? You are famous now because of the support of your fans? Or may percentage din ng body of work ninyo, yung diary ng pangit in particular, at saka yung, ano ba yung next movie nyo?
I don't know, pwede bang parehas?
Pwede, explain mo
Parehas po.
So parang 50-50 support ng fans, 50% reward.
Opo. Kasi syempre hindi naman din kami magiging popular kung hindi rin dahil po sa kanila.
So bakit? Kasi nga, before pangit,
wala
pa kayong fans.
Opo. Wala naman po talaga.
I think it's the other way around. Because of Dahil ng Pangit, we got fans, and then we became famous. So I think the fans came first.
Pero alam mo, yun, kaya namin ito tinanong, kasi sinasabi ng mga research team ko, grabe daw yung pagmamahal sa inyo ng fans. And kayo din daw, talagang you get to see them, you answer their tweets, yung mga gano'n.
Mga shows,
mga show daw, nag-stay pa kayo to chika with them.
Yes.
Fairness.
Especially yung mga fans na they've been supporting me from PBB. So that's 5 years ago. So
May mga ganun ka na fans?
Yes.
Wow. Okay, eto na, let's talk about